Hi, I'm Jamel Sanders, President and CEO of Jamel Sanders International, and welcome to my interactive blog. Now, the purpose behind this blog is to provide you with the tools and resources that you need to live the life of your dream. Today's topic is passion. Passion is one of those things that cannot be taught. It is something that has to be cultivated in one's life. Passion is that quality that separates you from others. It's the thing that inspires you, that ignites you, that awakens you, that resounds in you. It's the thing that vibrates within you. It's the thing that causes you to dig deep and search harder. It's the thing that causes you to launch out in the deep waters and to tread new territory. It's the thing that causes you to research and investigate and pontificate. It's the thing that causes you to begin to be stretched, to be challenged, to see hidden potential come to the surface, to maximize your potential, to unlock greatness. It's the thing that separates you from others. And when you begin to discover your true passion, you will begin to move into a level of meaning and significance in your life. I want you to begin to ask yourself some deep underlying questions. What is my passion? What is that one thing that I can't shake? I go to bed thinking about it. I dream about it. I daydream about it. What is that quality, that thing about you that separates you from others? Your ability to discern your passion will determine the level of success or failure that you experience in your life. It's not enough, though, just to recognize that. You have to begin to cultivate that passion. And when you begin to cultivate it, you'll begin to embrace life at the next dimension. Speaking of next level living, Jamel Sanders International is in a major rebranding initiative. With that in mind, I know that relationships are critical to success in all areas of our lives. We are connecting with you, and we have started our online mailing list so that you can be informed about the latest events and empowerment resources from Jamel Sanders International. If you would like to be added to the mailing list, you can email us at info@jamelsanders.com. Again, that email address is info@jamelsanders.com. We want to connect with you, and we want to provide you with the tools and resources that you need to live the life of your dream. That brings me naturally to my second point. I am so excited about a new event that we are putting together for you. Join me on Saturday, November the 6th, 2010 in Uptown Charlotte at the Gateway Center, where I will be doing an unforgettable day of empowerment and impartation. It's going to be on Saturday, November 6th, 2010, 10 a.m., Gateway Center in Uptown. During this time, I will be sharing proven strategies for living a life of success and prosperity. We are in turbulent times, and if you are to survive the myriad of attacks and winds that are blowing in your life, you need to be equipped with the tools and resources to be effective and to begin to embrace victory in every area of your life. I want to equip you with those tools so that you can be on the cutting edge and you can begin to seize territory and live a victorious life in the 21st century. Registration for this event is going to open on September the 1st. It's going to be $25. On October 1st, it's going to go up to $35. Registration is going to close on October the 16th, but I want you to be a part. Space is limited. I don't want you to miss out on this powerful day of impartation and empowerment in your life. So please email us at info@jamelsanders.com. Again, info@jamelsanders.com, or call our administrative offices at 704-451-7056, 704-451-7056. I want to see you there. In the coming week, we're going to be putting a link up on the website so that you can begin to register for this life-changing event. And again, you're going to be receiving something in your email. There's a lot of new exciting developments coming within Jamel Sanders International, and I want to keep you updated on all of the great things that this organization is doing. Again, thank you for partnering with us to achieve this global mandate in the nations of the earth. Until next time, keep moving in the direction of your dream and keep maximizing your potential.